Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a look using the ABH Norvina collection palette, and I just got it today, so I'm gonna see what I can come up with. I already saw some colors that I wanted to play with, and I will actually show you the palette. Like, oh my god, it's just gorgeous. The colors are beautiful, like literally so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I really love the shade E4, D4, A5, E2, B4, and D2. Oh, I'm so excited. My face makeup for the most part is already done. I have to do like my powder products afterwards, but I thought to save some time I'd get some of it done, because sometimes this can take forever, especially when I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Which is I just have to carve out my brows because I did not do that yet. And I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C5. Shade I will be picking up is E4, just going right in with the brights. I love the way this color looks, and hopefully it comes out beautiful. And I'm just packing it on. I'm not doing any blending motions, just patting motions again. Go in with A3. And then I'm going to go in with the shade D4. Tap off the excess and pack that on the outer and inner part of my eye. for the center part of my eye, I'm going to go in with D2, and I think I'm going to actually use my finger to apply it.
Saw this when I went to the website because I was going to get the first Norvina palette, the little small purple one, and then I saw this and I was like, fuck it, I'm going to grab it. And my bitch ass grabbed it because I needed it in my life. I saw the colors and I was like, I actually really don't have colors like these. So I need it.
Now I'm going to use my NYX matte liquid liner. This is one of my favorite liners. Highly recommend it, and it's affordable. And with my CoverGirl True Blend concealer, and this is in the shade Golden Natural. And I'm gonna lightly do like light little dots, because like I said yesterday, actually I cut that out. I've been going like extra heavy handed, and I find when I go lighter it actually looks better, like it doesn't look caked on. So that's what I've been doing. In with my Morphe 8L Lo-Fi palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Donut. Now I'm going to go in with this cream blush from Colourpop. This is in the shade Under Pressure. These are the lashes I'm going to use today. They are from MissBossLashes. No, she did not send me these. None of that. This was purchased with all of my own money. I really love these and I highly recommend her. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Lay your head on my pillow. So I'm going to put E4 first. Actually, I think I'm just going to use E4 on my lower lash line. I think I'm going to go in with A1. Colourpop liner, and this is in the shade Piggy Bank. My Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. Love this setting spray. thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. All of today's products will be listed in the description, as well as my social media links, so feel free to follow me.